If you're struggling to grow on social media, it's not because you're bad at content. It's because you're playing a game that changed and nobody told you the new rule. Today, I'm going to hand you the 5 uncommon lessons that every big creator knows about and that most struggling creators don't. Miss even one and you'll stay stuck. Nail them all and growth gets easier and faster. Lesson 1. Pure virality is trap. Yes, 10 million views feels so good. No, it won't make you rich. Why? Because those views come from everywhere. The broader your reach, the more confused the algorithm is about who to show your content next. Instead, aim for the on-target virality. Go deep into your niche. Make videos that hit high percentage of your ideal viewers. This builds trust faster and by doing so drives more sales because it knows to what person to show your content to. That's why creators with small audience like 20 to 50k followers in a niche can build 7-figure businesses while influencers with 7 million followers struggle to pay even rent. Even Hormozi talked about this on his latest episode on the Diary of CEO.
Some TikTokers with 50+ million followers that have had failed launches because they have views, but they have zero influence.
Lesson 2. Fish where your fishes are. You don't need to post everywhere. You need to be where your customers actually are. So, pick 1 or 2 hero platforms, post consistently there for 6 months and immerse yourself really deeply with the platform. You need to comment, reply, engage with people, post stories, try all types of content, but especially video content. Video content is really good because it helps you build trust, it helps you build authority and connection with your audience. So just remember that, because without trust, without loyalty, nobody will buy from you. Lesson 3. The money isn't in the media layer. What does that mean? So there are 3 layers to content game. Platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, media, you, the creator, and offering, product and services. Most of the money sits in the platforms and the offerings, these 2. But creators in the media layer, they capture surprisingly little. In my time working with both online coaches and entrepreneurs, what I heard most of the time is we rely on ad revenue. But soon enough, they realized that it's not sustainable or consistent and they had to switch their monetization strategy. And that's what I've been doing with personal brands that I've been working with. And if you want me to help you with personal, free, full content strategy, the link is down in the description or the pinned comment. So don't rely on AdSense or brand deals. Use your media to drive attention and then funnel that attention to your product, your service, your affiliate links that you control. Lesson 4. Social media isn't social anymore. Old school media was built for connection, and that was the game from 2003 to 2020. But TikTok happened, and TikTok changed the way the game was played. It wasn't about connection anymore, it was about consumption, and it worked so well that every platform copied it. Now, social media is just media. The algorithm's job is very simple. Keep people on the platform as long as possible because it wants to show more ads. Show them videos they like, the audience, no matter who made it. That's why you see people who have small follower rates go viral. This is called the audience matching. If you help the platform match your video to the right viewer and keep them watching, the platform wins. And when the platform wins, it rewards you. You win. So it's a win-win situation. So the tactical takeaway here is train the algorithm to like you by doing 1-1-1. Pick one topic, pick one platform that you're going to be talking to, and then pick one avatar. Then post between 60 to 90 videos on that platform. After that, the algorithm knows who you are, who you're speaking to, and it feeds your content to the right feed on the platform. Lesson 5. Think islands, not ecosystems. Most gurus will say, get a follower on one platform, push them everywhere else. That's a bad idea. Platforms don't want sending their people away, their viewers, their consumers. And if you try to do this, like adding links to the post, adding links to the comments, it will mess up your reach. Plus, users themselves don't want to be switching platforms. They like the speed and experience where they are. So treat each platform like its own island. Make native content for that island. Keep them where they are, the viewers. The only bridge you want to ever build is towards your email list, your communities, your products. So to summarize all of this, the game has obviously changed. Virality is overrated. Focus on the on-target virality. Focus beats being everywhere. And if you want to make money, build beyond the media layer. Social isn't social, it's just media. And islands beat ecosystems. That's the blueprint for growing your business with content. If you want my help in getting the tactical side like creatives, the algorithm, the editing, following up with trends, the scripting, distribution, making sure that you have a really unique personalized content strategy to help you monetize your attention and build your personal brand as an online coach or as an entrepreneur, you can find the link down below in the pinned comment or in the description. You can schedule a call and I'll give you a free content strategy that you can actually use on your own if you got the time. Okay, that's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.